Nootka Saunas started as a bit of a side project or moonlight project. I built and installed probably about the first 50 saunas. Since the very first sauna we sold, that was with QuickBooks.
Every month, we probably send out about 60 payments, so there's constantly tracking invoices coming through. The time efficiency that using batch payments has created for us is pretty substantial. Instead of having to go into each vendor to create individual payments, we're able to just do it all in one go. Bills come through to us in multiple forms. It can either be photos or email. We're able to upload those all into QuickBooks to the specific vendors. If we don't have that vendor's information, it's very easy to reach out to them directly through QuickBooks to collect the payment information. From there, I'm able to just validate that we've received that service and then pass it on to Kris for final approval. And then once he clicks approve, it's able to just send the transfer right away, connected to our bank account.
Nootka Saunas is a lean manufacturing facility. A big component of lean is ensuring that every process you're doing is adding value to the customer. Being able to actually kind of schedule, set up, and send payments all under the same platform where we match and reconcile payables is hugely helpful. One of the first things I say when people do ask what they should do or what they should think about when they're starting a business is I tell them to get their books in order from day one. We've been able to use Bill Pay and expand our business with a heavy reliance on it, and we see being able to grow with it for the foreseeable future.